the best information about making Monery online. Most everyone wants to learn how to make more money. And many people want the luxury of freelancing on their own, but they just do not know where to start. What if you could make money online by working from the comfort of your own home? Well, you might just be surprised to learn that you can. Continue watching to learn what you need to know. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. Find out what you like to do if you want to earn cash online. Is writing something you succeed at? Become a content writer. Are you excellent with graphic design? You can get hired to work on the designs of people's sites. Introspection can help with this. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. If you enjoy writing, take a look at revenue sharing sites. Both of these sites let you write on your favorite topics, and you get a split of the incoming revenue. This will allow you to have fun while you are working. As you can see, making money online is no longer a pipe dream. There are people all across the globe who are now making great money online. You will be able to be your own boss and make your own decisions about how much money you bring in from now on. Good luck! Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.